To get started with Straion, you first need to sign up. Then you land on the Getting Started page and follow the instructions. First, we are going to import rules from an existing repository. As this is running in the background, extracting and importing the rules into Straion, we are going to install the CLI. Then we are generating a login token and pasting this into our terminal. Next, we connect the agent. On this machine, only Claude Code is set up, but you could also choose GitHub Copilot or Cursor. We can start Claude now and are ready to use Straion.